This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good morning, Arizona. I'm Javier Soto. Here are the latest stories we're following from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. Arizona is considered amongst the worst in the country for COVID infections and deaths among children and teenagers. That data coming from a study by the American Academy of Pediatrics. Arizona's Family Chief Investigative Reporter Morgan Lowe spoke with the governor and the head of the state health department about this issue, and he seemed to catch them off guard.
There's likely a number of reasons for it. The good news is, while there are still anomalies, and they are in the category unless they have an underlying health condition where they rebound pretty quickly.
It also has to do with how much of the data we're reporting. So we are putting out hospitalization by age category.
Dr. Kara Chris said we are collecting more data on kids than any other state and testing more children. But that still didn't really address the why. We have a high number of infected kids. It just shows that we are identifying that they are infected. Now, we are seeing a jump in positive coronavirus cases on the ASU campus. There are now 775 known COVID-19 cases amongst campus students. That's 300 new cases since Friday. ASU is also reporting 323 students who have tested positive and are now in isolation on the Tempe campus. There are no known cases at the Polytech campus in the West Valley. 28 staff members have also tested positive. This morning, we're learning more about the circumstances surrounding the death of a 3-year-old girl who was found inside a hot car over the weekend. Surveillance video from an apartment complex near Thunderbird and I-17 shows the girl getting in her mother's car herself. The mother, 23-year-old Tiana Marie Jones, said this all happened as she was napping. Court records indicate that Jones admitted she had been drinking and doing cocaine the night before. She's now charged and in jail on child abuse charges.
I'm meteorologist April Warnicki. We're going for a high of 101 today with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout your Tuesday. As we head toward the rest of this week, I'm tracking a pretty big warm up with a heat watch that starts Friday and runs through the weekend.
Oh, we're going to have to enjoy that 101 while we can. Thank you, April. For updates and more stories, all you have to do is download the Arizona's Family News app and make sure you subscribe on our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Javier Soto. Good morning, Arizona.